Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session we will solve this question number 2. Okay, question number 2 is exactly similar to question number 1, students. Okay, the only difference between question number 1 and question number 2 is in question number 1 variable m was considered, and in question number 2 variable p is considered, and the given value is also different. In question number 1 m is equal to 2 was given. In question number 2 we have been given p is equal to minus 2. Okay, again here also you have to find the value of this expression at p equals to 2. Okay, so let us start our solution, students, and find the value of this expression, that is 4p plus 7 at p is equal to minus 2. Okay, so here followed by equal to sign, students. So in between 4 and p I have already explained you that multiplication sign is there. Okay, तो यहाँ पे 4 into now we will put the value of p is equal to minus 2, ठीक है, plus 7. Okay, now if you will look it minutely, students, then this is nothing but multiplication of integer. Okay, 1 plus 1 minus. So first we are multiplying the digits and then we are multiplying the sign. Before 4 plus sign is there and before 2 minus sign is there. So plus into minus you will get minus, and then 4 to the you will get 8, and then plus 7. Okay, so here if you will see them carefully, students, then here we are having addition of integer 1 plus 1 minus. So in this case we are actually subtracting them and considering the sign of greater number. So here greater is 8, so here in the result we will have minus 7, and if you will subtract 8 minus 7 you will get 1. Okay, so finally we are having the value of the expression as minus 1 at p is equal to minus 2. Okay, now moving to next segment, students. Here the next segment that we are having, that is segment number 2. As next expression we are having minus 3p square plus 4p and then plus 7. Okay, so let us find out the value of this expression at p is equal to minus 2. Okay, now here followed by equal to sign, minus 3 into p square. Instead of writing p square we will write the value of p, that is minus 2, and then we will put the square. Okay, then plus 4 into minus 2 the value of p, and then plus 7 as it is. Okay, now students, when I was teaching you integer chapter, at that time I told you whenever minus sign multiplied for even number of times, okay, then we are getting plus at the result, and whenever minus is multiplied for even number of times, then we are getting minus at the result. Okay, now here minus 2 square means what? This square is on minus sign also and 2 also. ये जो स्क्वायर का साइन है ये माइनस से माइनस भी 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई होगा और 2 भी 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई होगा. ओके, दैट इज माइनस इंटू माइनस. हियर यू कैन सी माइनस हैज बीन raised to the power even times, so in the result we will have plus. Okay, so here minus 3 as it is, and in the result we will have plus. Okay, and then if you will multiply 2 times, then you will have 2 to the 4. Okay, now here if you will multiply them, students, then see plus before 4 plus sign is there, before 2 minus sign is there, so plus into minus will result minus, and 4 to the 8, and then plus 7 as it is. Okay, now here before 4 plus sign is there, before 3 minus sign is there, so plus minus will result here minus, and 3 4 ja 12, and then minus 8, and then here plus 7 as it is. Now if you will look these two, students, both are having same sign. Okay, so in this case we are adding them and considering the sign minus. So 12 plus 8 you will have minus 20, and then plus 7. Now here you are having 1 plus 1 minus sign, so basically here we will subtract them and consider the sign of greater number, that is 20 is greater having sign minus, so in the result we will have minus, and if you will subtract 20 minus 7 you will get 13. Means the value of this expression minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7 at p is equal to minus 2 will be minus 13. Okay, now moving to next segment, students, segment number 3. In segment number 3 the given expression is minus 2p cube okay, minus 3p square, and then plus 4p, and then plus 7 is there. Okay, now we have to find the value of this expression at p is equal to minus 2. So let us put p is equal to minus 2 here, followed by equal to sign, students, minus 2 as it is, then put the value of p, that is minus 2 whole raised to power cube minus 3 into minus 2 whole raised to power 2. Just I am putting the value of p, students, nothing else. Okay, then plus 4 into p is equal to minus 2 plus 7 as it is. Just I put the value of p is equal to minus 2. Now we will focus on the solution. ठीक है, अभी की जैसा तुरंत मैं आपको बताया हूँ, समझाया हूँ कि ये जो साइन होता है, पावर होता है, ये दोनों पे होता है, माइनस पे भी और डिजिट पे भी, साइन पे भी और डिजिट पे भी। ठीक है, तो माइनस को अगर इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम के लिए मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, दैट इज माइनस इंटू माइनस, देन यू विल गेट माइनस इन द रिजल्ट। एज आई टोल्ड यू, इफ माइनस इज मल्टीप्लाइड फॉर इवन ओड नंबर ऑफ टाइम, देन यू विल गेट माइनस इन द रिजल्ट, एंड इफ माइनस इज मल्टीप्लाइड फॉर even number of time, then you will get plus in the result. Overall, if minus sign raised to power even, then you will get plus in the result, and if minus sign raised to even odd number of odd number, then you will get minus in the result. Okay, now here you can see minus multiplied 3 times, so we will get minus in the result. So minus 2 first as it is, and then here you will get minus in the result, and if you will multiply 2 for 3 times, 2 to the 4 to the 8, so here you will have 8 minus, now again 3 as it is. Now if you will multiply minus for 2 times, you will get plus in the result, and if you will multiply 2 times, then 2 to the 4, so here basically you will get 4. Now here plus 4 as it is, minus 2 as it is, plus 7 as it is. Now multiply them. Now here if you will multiply both of them, students, then minus into minus will become plus, so there is no need of writing plus. So 8 to the 16, here you will get 16. Now here before 4 plus sign is there, before 3 minus sign is there, so minus into plus will give you minus, and 4 3 is 12. Now again here before 4 plus sign is there, and before 2 minus sign is there, so minus into plus will give you minus, and 4 to the 8, and then plus 7 as it is. Now these two are having same sign, students, and these two are also having same sign, so add them. 16 plus 7, if you will add them, 16 plus 7, then you will get 23. Okay, and if you will add these two, then you will get minus 20. Okay, here we will add them, but we will consider the sign minus. Okay, now here we are having 1 plus 1 minus. Okay, so here we will subtract them, consider the sign of greater number. Here greater number is 23 having plus sign, so in the result we will have plus sign. There is no need of writing plus sign, as if no sign is there before any digit, plus sign is considered. Okay, now if you will subtract 23 from 20, then you will get 3, means here your value of this expression minus 2 cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7 at p is equal to minus 2 will be 3. Okay, so like this we are finding out the value of the expression, students. This was your question number 2. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.